Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com. The other day I went out for a drink with an old friend of mine who I know through our mutual love of music, and he brought along with him his son who's just turned 18. As we were chatting in the bar, his son realised that I knew his dad, who's quite a well-known jazz collector and DJ through the music world. So he asked me if I was a huge jazz head too. Up to a point, I replied, but there's plenty of other kinds of music I like too. Thank God for that, he replied. It's all my dad ever listens to. I responded to this by pointing out that it could be worse. His dad could embarrass him by trying to be down with the kids and listen to whatever him and his friends listened to. If you say that someone's down with the kids, it's a humorous, jokey kind of way of describing someone who's basically trying to seem young and trying to seem cool by liking the same kinds of things that young people like or that they think young people like, in a way that's a bit silly and a bit embarrassing. So maybe, for example, your dad finally learns how to send text messages, and then, to be down with the kids, he uses loads of emojis when he does so. Maybe you find it a bit embarrassing when you see big corporations trying to get down with the kids by using different kinds of viral marketing. And maybe a friend of yours has decided that he wants to start learning to skateboard at the age of 40 or 50. You ask him how it's going and he says, "Hey, listen, I almost broke my neck this morning trying to flip the skateboard over, but hey, at least I'm down with the kids." If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use down with the kids.